In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Editing an invoice is something you'll need to do whenever a customer's information changes, an item was entered incorrectly, or you simply need to adjust quantities or prices. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you feel confident making updates without worrying about messing up your books. First, start on your main QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look over to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on Sales and then choose Invoices. This takes you to the main list of all your invoices, both open and closed, so you can easily find the one you need to update. Next, locate the specific invoice you want to edit. You can scroll through the list if you don't have too many, or, to make things easier, use the search or filter options at the top of the page. You can filter by customer, status, or date to narrow things down quickly. Once you've spotted the invoice you're looking for, move your attention to the Action column on the right side of that invoices row. In the Action column, you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click that arrow, and from the options that appear, select View/Edit. This will open the full invoice screen, where you can see all the details: customer information, payment terms, dates, line items, quantities, rates, and taxes. Now you can make your changes. Update any customer information that needs to be corrected, such as the billing address or email. Review the line items carefully and adjust descriptions, quantities, or amounts if something was entered incorrectly. If you need to add or remove an item, you can do that here as well. Take a moment to double-check totals and tax calculations after you edit anything, just to make sure everything still looks accurate. When you're satisfied with the changes, go to the bottom right of the invoice. If you're done and don't need to notify the customer right away, click Save and Close. This will update the invoice in your records and return you to the invoice list. If you want your customer to receive the updated version immediately, click Save and Send instead. QuickBooks will prompt you to review the email before sending, so you can confirm the message looks correct. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and safely edit invoices in QuickBooks Online whenever you need to.